everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. Let's do one more reading. That reading name is Keeping the Fun in Fun Fairs. Keeping the fun in fun fairs. Fun, I can understand. Fun, again the same word, fun fair. Fairs means exhibition kind of things, some exhibition relating to fun and all. So I am trying to understand the meaning of this title of this reading passage. Okay. And this is reading passage 3. It was part of 15th November 2025 in IELTS exam in India. As per students' report, I have selected this reading passage, and of course, believe me, this reading was part of this IELTS exam in January 2025. Okay, so this reading was also there. So that time I couldn't get this reading. Now I have got this reading. So for this, we will be doing list of headings. Yes, in every video, I am telling you, I am informing you about one or two IELTS reading tips and tricks for solving these readings. So those who are not reading instructions, they can have less band scores. Why? Without reading instructions, if you start doing the questions, definitely some students, they will not give attention towards the instructions. Like you can see over here, choose the correct heading for paragraphs B to G. Okay, so above it is given, it has 7 paragraphs A to G. So many students, they will not notice that already for A number paragraph they have given answer 7th number. It means 7th number answer we will not consider it. So initially we will cut it. Initially means this is not this will not come in our answers. Already they have selected A number paragraph 7 number. So one heading is cut down. So always read it. Sometimes even I have also done these mistakes. Without reading instructions, I usually start with first paragraph and try to find the this thing headings with trying to match the heading with this A number paragraph. So of course 2-3 minutes you will be wasting while solving this reading. So let's start with this what list of heading. So how to do list of heading? Definitely I will not waste any time. How I am doing it, first I will read all the headings within 20-30 seconds. Less is more, means less, whatever it is less, it will be more. Research can't guarantee safety. Some research kind of thing will be there, can't guarantee safety. I am trying to understand its meaning, as well as one or two keywords I am getting it. Unexplained symptoms. So some symptoms, like symptoms mostly, I don't know, symptoms like something had happened with body, with human being, or some other things. Unexplained, which cannot be explained. Setting the limits of acceleration means speed and all, and they are setting it. The irresistible appeal of speed. So appeal of speed. Gentle surprises, soft surprises, a different ride every time. Okay, now I have understood. Still, uh, I am saying read the instructions carefully. So now please do practice with me and do subscription, do like and give positive comment on my channel. And you have some doubt, definitely I will give answer for that question. If you have some doubt regarding any question, it may take time. Sometimes I am busy, so unable to give answer for that comment section questions. So we will straight away go to B number paragraph. Or here now, if someone is interested to read A number paragraph, definitely he can read it. He or she can read it. So some students, they don't find it they usually think that if we ignore A number paragraph, then the main idea of the writer we will not come to know. You can read it, but within 30-40 seconds. Okay. But here I will not read. Okay. Uh, for B paragraph, we are looking for when the Disney Corporation asked German designer Walter Stignell to design a giant loop ride for them in the 1990. Okay, so let me take my pen here. Disney Corporation asked German designer Walter Stignell to design a giant loop ride for them in 1970. He went to NASA and aeronautics and space founders. Same way you need to improve your reading. So some students, they just text me, your pronunciation is bad. Definitely, I am not focusing on my pronunciation. I am focusing on solving the reading passage here. Okay. To discover the effects of sustained acceleration, acceleration word is here, but definitely not on the basis of words. I will not select any option. Okay. I will read it little bit. To discover the effects of sustained acceleration on the pilots, NASA's research study research what is also suggests that the maximum level we can endure is 9 g being the standard unit of acceleration due to gravity. Okay, go much beyond that and pilots pass out, go further still and they suffer still. Okay, so let's read it. Last sentence also. It's important to read first two, three sentences and the last sentence. What's more, he put firm restrictions on the rate at which acceleration can increase. You will never go down a 45-degree ramp into tight circular, for instance. So here, putting restrictions on the speed acceleration. Yeah, fourth number it is there. See this? Setting the limits of acceleration. He put firm restrictions on the rate at which acceleration can increase. You will never go down this and this. So I will select this fourth number. So of course, counting is like numbers are missing. So in list of heading, whatever the style they have given for numericals, the same way you have to write. If you are writing four number in answer sheet, wrong, it will be wrong. Okay, so let's read C number paragraph. Now this is my C number, but stricter safety limits only. Now they have started this paragraph. Most of the time I have noticed. So whatever the theme was there, whatever the idea was there in the second paragraph. So sometimes in next paragraph they will start with the same words. Okay, so that doesn't mean that they are talking about the same idea in the next paragraph. No, but stricter safety limits only intensify the need to search for novel ways to thrill customers. Okay, part of the problem is that no matter how exciting an attraction is after a new show, the passengers will have some idea of what to expect. Okay, the next stage in designing rides, however, could throw some predictability out of the window. This step has already been taken in the most recent Walters or teacup rides. Okay, so let's read. So till here I have read it. Less is more. Research can't guarantee safety. Safety is not there. Unexplained symptoms not there. A irresistible speed. No. Gentle surprise. Different ride. Okay. Let's read the last sentence also. Okay. Means last two sentences. But the latest generation of Walter cars spin freely at a fate determined by the weight and position of the people in them. Okay. So never have the same experience twice. People seem to like these chaotic rides. Okay. So you never have the same, but the latest generation, this and this, determined by weight and okay. So you never have the same experience twice. People seem to okay. Same, never have the same experience. Novel ways to thrill customer. Part of the that no matter how exciting an extraction is, less is more. Research can't guarantee safety. It is not there. Unexplained symptoms. No irresistible with then gentle surprises is also not there. So last line is saying something. Gentle surprises no. So you never have the same experience twice. A different ride every time because throughout the paragraph they were talking about this car kind of thing. So cars spin freely. That is designed by Walter. So we will select this eighth number with C number paragraph. Okay, this. Okay, let's move to D number paragraph. Although, let me shift the page first. Okay, D number paragraph is there. Okay, let me take the pen. Although seemingly a passport to endless thrills, chaos does not have rather obvious drawback. It's unpredictable. Sorry. Uh, Drawback, it's unpredictable. Despite complex calculation, designers can never be completely sure that something odd won't happen, especially since freely turning systems occasionally hit a resonance frequency. Okay, Although seemingly passport to endless thrills, does have one rather drawback: unpredictable. Research can't, but where is research? Unexplained symptoms, setting the limits. So two we have selected. Okay, let's read last lines also. This could be very hazardous. According to this, a right is subjected to unforeseen stress. No one can guarantee that it will be able to guarantee. Word is there. Okay, yes, let's read it. Now I understood. Does have one rather obvious drawback: it's unpredictable. Despite complex calculations, calculation means research, designers can never be completely sure that something odd won't happen. Okay, so this line is also saying, I think research can't guarantee safety, and especially since freely turning system occasionally hit a resonance frequency. So they have given example. A child on swing would never go. Okay, so this could be very hazardous. According to this, a ride is subjected to unforeseen stresses. No one can guarantee that it will be able to go. So, of course, second I will select it with, because if you ask me gentle surprises, this is not a surprise. I don't think so. They are talking about surprise. And no symptoms also, it is not a symptoms. Okay, E number: no one knows what the safe limits of rotational force are, let alone its effect on the human body. Okay, no one knows what the safe limits of rotational force are, let alone its effect on the human body. Strangel has worked with German Air Force. Okay, rotating volunteers head over wheels while also making them cartwheel or this ballet dancer. Okay, it emerged if the pilots were turned on three axis. Okay, now I'm not getting it. No one knows what the safe limits of rotational force are, let alone its effect on human body. So from here he has started talking about how this Stengel person has worked with German Air Force, and they have done something experiment with volunteers. So let's read last line also. Okay, so till it emerged that if pilots were turned all on three axes simultaneously, they become so nauseous. They almost blacked out, and when they got off, they couldn't walk. Okay, but what Stengel found particularly puzzling was that they also developed headaches and other problems about 2 days later. Since these effects aren't understood, see, unexplained symptoms. So symptoms they are talking about headache, other problems, blackout, and all. Since these effects aren't understood, means they can't exercise. So he is unable to explain symptoms. So I will select this also with, this is third. Yes, third number. Okay, third number. Now let's do 31 number question. Let me shift it. Okay, so F number paragraph. So, with that goal in mind, Stengel feels that finging people, what is this finging people? Okay, around in ever more chaotic machines is no longer the way forward. With that goal in mind, Stengel feels that finging people around in ever more chaotic machine is no longer the way forward. He believes that sequence of accelerations, not their size, is what counts, and that way to make rides more fun is to put people through a carefully designed succession of relatively small acceleration. Okay, let's read last line also from where it is starting. Recent experiments testing the tolerance of Dutch military plot of a range of acceleration have shown that tumbling around in machines doesn't have to be pleasant. When the force is kept low, the subjects actually enjoy the experience. With that goal in mind, Stengel feels that finging people around in ever more chaotic machine is no longer the way. He believes that sequence of acceleration, not their size, what counts, that the way to make rides more fun, to put people through a carefully designed of reality. Okay, till here I have read these. This is one two sentences. Okay, and the last also I have read. They have done something for ditch military. And here it is given, it doesn't uh, tumbling around in machine, means they are talking about these rides and all, doesn't have to be unpleasant. When the force is kept low, the subjects actually enjoy the experience. Research can't guarantee. This also select, this also select, this also. Irresistible appeal of speed. No appeal kind of thing, it is not there. Difficult task, it is not the different. So what we have left, less is more, we can select, means force is kept low, subjects actually enjoy the experience. So less is more, so we can select one number with this. Now coming to G number paragraph. The fun seems to come from the unforeseen, particularly when an effect called this into play. This is an agreeable tumbling feeling which occurs when the head is suddenly titled. Okay, the fun seems to come from unforeseen, particularly when an effect called this comes into play. So first line, I think the fun seems to come from unforeseen. Unforeseen, gentle surprises, I think they are talking, because nothing, first we have selected, second also, third also selected, fourth also selected. Now here they don't talk about appeal of, only this one is left. But let's read little bit more, I'm just guessing out. Come from because of unforeseen, I am expecting surprises. Okay, uh, this is an agreeable tumbling feeling which occurs, for example, when the head is suddenly tilted, when the subject is spinning with eyes closed, it appears that a roll. For instance, an unexpected change of acceleration. Okay, let's read last line. If the theories of this experts really do work, fairground fun might one day be measured in small, not screams. The fun seems to come from unforeseen, particularly when if, so I think gentle surprise will come because of unforeseen. The fun seems to come from this and this. This is uh, sixth number. Sixth number. In next video, we will be doing yes, no, not given and fill in the blanks.